This is lesson 4, fourth lesson, part 1, titled Dick and His Job. Dick works 5 days a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. He goes to the office at 9 o'clock in the morning and leaves at 5 in the afternoon. He has lunch from 1 to 2. He is free on Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday evening, we usually go to the movies, and on Sunday afternoon, we often go to a concert. The concert is usually over about 4:30. We walk home and have supper about 6:30 or 6:45. During the week, Dick works very hard, but he likes his job. It is not monotonous work. 4 times a year, he travels to different important cities on business. He leaves on January 3rd and is usually away for 10 days. About March 15th, he starts on another trip and is usually back before the end of the month. He generally stays in the office during April, May, and June. On July 1st, he leaves again for about a week. At the beginning of September, he makes the final trip of the year. After it, he usually has a vacation for 3 weeks or a month.